Hey there guys, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to compare last year's Pixel 3a against the upcoming Pixel 4a. In May of last year, Google launched the Pixel 3a and 3a XL priced at hundreds of dollars less than its main Pixel 3 flagship counterpart. The Pixel 3a phone showed off key features like wireless charging and water resistance, but it was one of the viable alternative for Android users looking for a Pixel phone experience at a lower cost. This year we are expecting Pixel 4a with the same price tag, but is it worth the upgrade? And what are the upgrades that you can expect from the Pixel 4a? I will cover everything that we know so far, so do watch the whole video. And now, let's begin. Pixel 3a follows Pixel 3 series design with huge bezels on top and on the bottom. The Pixel 4a, as we know from the multiple renders, mock-ups and videos, will get a more modern hole punch front design. The back on Pixel 4a is not that interesting with a single texture, unlike Pixel 3a which comes with a trademark two-tone pixel design combining matte and glossy surface on the back. Both have single cameras on the back, but for Pixel 4a you get to see a camera bump which is absent in Pixel 3a. Physical fingerprint scanner is available on both the Pixel devices. Also there's a 3.5mm headphone port and a USB Type-C for charging. The display on Pixel 3a is fantastic with 5.6-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2220x1080p Full HD Plus 60Hz display. As for Pixel 4a, it's a 5.81-inch OLED display with 2340x1080p resolution. While there were rumors of 90Hz refresh rate, it's been confirmed to be clocked at 60Hz only. As for the protection, it could be very well the same AGC's Dragon Trail glass that's found on Pixel 3a. One of the most compelling thing about the Pixel 3a was that it had the same excellent camera as the Pixel 3, and it would make sense for Google to pack the Pixel 4a with the same camera hardware as the Pixel 4. On the rear, both are said to feature 12.2 megapixel camera lens with optical stabilization. The selfie cameras on both are said to be the same 8 megapixel fixed camera lens, but a lot will also depend on the processing, which is done by the processor. Pixel 3a was armed with a Snapdragon 670 processor with 464GB memory. For Pixel 4a, it will be powered by a Snapdragon 730 system on chip. While not a flagship chipset, it's a capable 8nm SoC and certainly much more powerful than Snapdragon 670 found in its predecessor. The memory option is 664GB. Currently we have no information whether Google will supply 128GB model as well. The gaming on Snapdragon 670 was not that good of experience, but with Snapdragon 730 you will enjoy playing games. And let me tell you, it does not have 5G connectivity, so both Pixel 3a and 4a will be a 4G device. Moving on, the Geekbench listing confirms that the Google Pixel 4a will ship with the latest Android 10 OS out of the box. Speaking of, the device will feature the purest form of Android as it is a Google smartphone. And as it turns out, there isn't much longer to wait. It's coming in the month of May just like the Pixel 3a. Some internal documents were leaked from Vodafone Germany and they were published by German website revealing the sale date, that is 22nd of May. While the launch date was already leaked, it was only a matter of time before things started becoming clearer. So that's it for today guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.